Okay, you guys will find this problem in your PSAT booklet. I believe it's number 2. We're being asked to solve this system of equations, and once we find the values of x and y, we're being asked to multiply them, and that will be the answer we look for over here. So to solve the system of equations, we're going to use the method of elimination, and to do that we need the x's and y's to line up, so this 3y needs to get brought over. So let me start off by doing that. So I'm going to start by moving the negative. I'm going to have minus 3y on both sides like that, and that's going to change this into minus 4y equals 7. Okay. This other one now, I'm just going to bring it down just the way it is, and as you guys can see, the x's are lining up, the y's are lining up, and then the constants are lining up. Once you've gotten that accomplished, the next thing we're going to do is we want to use multiplication to get two of the variables to have the same value with opposite signs so that when we combine they'll cancel. So I'm going to multiply the top by 2. That's going to make this become 8x minus 8y equals 14, and the bottom once again is just going to be staying the same. Now, as you can see, my y variables have the same number but with opposite signs. So if I add straight down, 8 and 1 makes 9. The 8y's cancel out. And then we also need to combine the constants on the other side. And that gives us 18. Division gives us, getting ahead of myself there, 2. So I've got x. Now I need to find out what y is. To find out what y is, you're just going to take your answer you got for x, plug it back in so that you can find the y value. So I'll use this bottom equation here again. I'm going to plug in 2 for the x. And y gives me 1/4. Okay. From there, we're going to go ahead and multiply those together. So I've got my y, I've got my x, and we do x times y to get our final answer, which is going to be 2/4, which is 1/2. And so our final answer there would be C.